Hi, I'm Joanne Klein,
And I'm Drew Madeline.
and we want to tell you about a half-day workshop we're delivering at the upcoming 365 EDUCON conference titled A Data Governance Hackathon, a workshop where you apply technology to real-world scenarios. We'll spend the first part of the workshop explaining some of the Microsoft Purview features that help you govern and protect your data so you can meet your compliance requirements, such as finding your sensitive data, utilizing labels for information protection, building policies for data loss prevention, delivering retention and compliance requirements with data lifecycle and records management, using eDiscovery to find your relevant data. Then we'll move on to the hackathon.
And this hackathon is going to be the exciting part, where we're actually going to crowdsource some real-world scenarios from the attendees of this workshop, where we're going to actually break into teams. We're going to go through over an hour of work through to try to identify a solution, and then we're going to come back and present to the larger group to have a broader discussion about what we found. We may discover that there's multiple solutions required, and there's no right answer for that scenario, but that's the benefit of a hackathon-style workshop. So please join us at the upcoming 365 EDUCON conference and bring your data governance scenarios with you.
Bye.